Good evening, class. My name is Walkeria Davis. I'm going to share a couple of things about my program that I want to establish in this Wellness 440 class. I decided to base it off of my son's high school because I noticed that a lot of kids in our area have been having issues with depression, and it's kind of caused a spike in the suicide statistics. Also, his specific school used to be pretty much a nonviolent school. All of a sudden, they're breaking out with fights in the school. So I think having a mental awareness program specifically geared to preteens and teens is absolutely necessary because their hormones are constantly raging. It's not like an adult where if you have a problem, that's really your problem. It's not necessarily a hormonal imbalance attacking you. But with them, I think because they're kids, they fly under the radar and no one really takes it seriously. It's bad enough that our adult mental health patients are brought into the emergency room, treated briefly, and they have the right insurance, they get sent to a facility. If not, honestly, they just kind of put a band-aid on it and send them right back out, and then they end up coming back in like a few days. Whether it's for the same situation or at that time crisis, where then they'd have no real choice but to put them in some type of facility because they may self-harm. My goal for my program that I want to establish is to have some type of form that each school can hand over to each kid, period, like a quarterly base, just to see where they are mentally and just constantly check on their mental well-being. I think the school guidance counselor is a great person to target with that. The dean, these are all people that are in charge of behavior in these schools, and even their special ed team. I think they should be in with this. Those are people that I would probably try to target and try to pitch my plan to, just to see if I can get them on board and give them clarity and understanding of where the community would benefit from this program.